Alright, today's task is to remove the Silverado badging and the submodel, as well as the badging here, Z71. Replace it, not just remove it, but replace it with a different style, different color. So the front emblem is coming off, this one is coming off, so basically 5 different badges are coming off, and it's gonna go with this on the front. Let you see the finished product once it's all done. So I think that's gonna be nice. All right, let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna start over here on this right side. Let's pop this side out. It seems a little stubborn. Let's try something else here. All right, let's move over here to the left. Maybe it'll come out on this side. This truck is new, so all the emblems and everything is pretty tight. So you don't want to break the clips in case he decides to reuse them. All right, let's turn off the camera. So it wouldn't pop out from just going behind with to release the clips here. So trying to go behind get in there some kind of way if I can. If not, I don't know. But I had to actually take this off. So yeah, I think it goes that way. But I'll put it back. We had to take that out to get access. So it's a little bit more involved than I would have liked. So now the goal is to get in behind this thing to get the clip. So we'll see. The answer is nope. It's too involved, and I'm not taking this truck apart to put this on. So I'll let the owner deal with that. Pop the clips back in, and that's a wrap. this is, I had to come back on this one because I laid these down, and if you look closely, you can see it's kind of uneven, kind of has a, it's not straight, it's misaligned. So I'm gonna take these off and put on a new set, because trying to straighten these out is pointless. So I'm just gonna put it on a whole new badge and go from there. So the kicker right now is just getting it lined up. So I got to get my measurements right, just get it lined up.